What's up, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. And Trade here, bringing you another video. Today we're once again going to be making money. That's what it's all about. But I also want to educate you on how to use your money smart and how to actually learn how to navigate the market and understand the price movement, indicators, patterns, and much more to get an edge in the market. Now, when you're trading with any strategy, you know that you have to pay attention to certain things, whether it's support and resistance lines, certain indicator signals, or some other things that you will pay attention to, like news, for example. When you're trading with indicators, either with one or multiple, when you're trading with one, you know what to look at. You're usually going to look at indicator, the price, the pattern, and understand whether or not this is a good signal to enter. When you're trading with multiple indicators, it's extremely important that you understand what those indicators do. You don't want to have multiple indicators on your chart that do the same thing, because that means you're cluttering your chart. You want to have indicator that either supports the indicator that have given you the signal, so you want to reinforce the signal from the previous indicator, or you're waiting from the second indicator to reinforce the signal that you just received. So it's pretty much a circle, and those 2 or 3 indicators should always interact with each other and reinforce each other's signals. Now, sometimes you will enter without having all 3 indicators giving you the same signal. That's if you see a strong signal from one of the indicators, but usually that also means that the other indicators will follow. But understanding and learning indicators isn't always simple, so I advise you to join my free signals group. It is available for everybody completely for free. You can learn how to use indicators, how to spot patterns, how to draw support and resistance line, how to trade reversals, how to trade following the trends, and much more, completely for free. You will also receive daily trading signals from us as well, and of course you will have daily news breakdowns on the trades that we did. So this is going to be an amazing experience for you learning, and you're not only going to be learning, but you're also going to be making money alongside me. So make sure to click that link in the description below. And now let's jump into strategy. Let's do a few trades, and I'm also going to provide you with the settings for the strategy. So let's go. Right, so here we are on the chart. Here's our strategy. I know this looks like a lot of things. We have 3 indicators here, and I'm going to delve into the settings for these indicators a little bit later. Now I just want to show you the strategy, how it works, and then we're gonna look at the settings. I have a bunch of OTC trading assets lined up that we're gonna be looking for our situations on, and we also going to be trading reversal. This strategy is great at trading reversals, but also sometimes you can catch some nice trades in sideways market as well here. So let's try to find some entries here, and let's see if we're able to make a little bit of money with the help of these 3 indicators. And I'm going to show you how these indicators reinforce the signal that you are receiving. And here is actually a great situation that I want to take advantage of and take a sell position before it happens. First thing first, we have a pretty strong move in a downwards direction, stochastic oscillator exiting the overbought condition here, moving down all the way to oversold condition. And also we're looking at zigzag just bringing us the signal, and I was anticipating it because I have the setting set to 5. That means when there is a deviation of a trend more than 5%, it's going to give you a new line, which is exactly what we see here. Now when it comes to the Keltner channel serves as a support and resistance line, and also shows us the direction of the trade, which is very nice. And you can see when these breakouts happen out of Keltner channel, you can predict based on other indicators if you're going to see a reversal or not. So as simple as that. Here we are approaching the last 7 seconds. Yeah, we're seeing some green candles. However, I do not expect the price to go up here, so we should be getting some easy money here. And there we go, first trade in, $460. Of course it was a little bit close, but as I always say, not every single trade is going to be with a huge lead, and you need to understand it. Now let's move on and try to find another entry, and here is a great situation situation which a lot of people would actually place a sell position trade. However, I am entering a buy position trade, and the reason for that is because we have a support level here, and it is already formed, and it's been formed for a very long time, and you should spot these things. Always zoom out on your chart and look at what's going on. This is a support level. I'm not expecting the price to go lower than it already has, and you can see it's been in the oversold condition for quite a long time, establishing this level. So all we want to do is simply place a buy position trade and collect our money in 30 seconds. I'm expecting a green candle after green candle to bring us over this support level, and we should be getting our money in 20 seconds. Now, this mostly utilizes the basic technical analysis. I didn't rely on indicators on this trade a lot, but this is also a very important pillar that you should not avoid or skip. Technical analysis is going to bring you a lot of clarity into which signals to follow, and here we are getting another win, another $460. This one was pretty much without strategy, but as you can see, the decision was correct. The level was here, and we managed to trade reversal pretty easily. Now we can wait for the deviation of 5% and here see and place another trade. However, I do want to look at other charts and keep this one in mind, so I'm going to place it up front just to not forget that it's here. So let's go ahead, and here I am seeing exact same situation, except for this is already starting a full-blown reversal. So we are once again going to place a buy position on this trade. We have stochastic being in oversold condition, and we're about to get a new print from zigzag, and also we have broke out of the support level, which you can see here clearly. This is a support level. The price keeps reversing from this spot every single time, so of course we're going to take a buy position trade, and as easy as that, we're going to secure another win. And after this trade, I'm actually going to show you the settings so you know how to use the strategy. So let's observe this. We have 25 seconds to go. This looks pretty good, so let's see if we got the money. And there we have it. Beautiful trade, beautiful execution. The signals worked perfectly. All the signals that we received from the indicators worked perfectly. And now let me show you. So first of all, zigzag, you're going to have deviation of 5. Of course, you can change that. The higher you go, the less changes you're gonna have in your zigzag indicator. So the less reversals you're going to see here, and the less spikes you're going to see here. I like to keep it at 5% for this time frame because it matches perfectly. Depth is going to be 12, backstep is going to be 3. As for the line, I just added 2 pixels, but pretty much pretty standard. As for Keltner channel, you're going to keep EMA period at 20, ATR period at 10, and multiplier at 2. I changed the color of top, bottom, and middle line and made them stand out more by increasing the thickness. And of course, stochastic oscillator, default settings, didn't change anything, didn't change the styles. This works as intended on 1 minute time frame, so perfect, and try it out for yourself. These are the 3 indicators that you need, and they interact with each other perfectly. So first thing, you're going to be looking for overbought or oversold condition for the asset from stochastic. You're going to be looking at breakouts that happen right like here, if you can see, and you're gonna wait for the deviation to reach 5% to where you're gonna start seeing a new peak coming out from zigzag and Keltner channel. For example, if it happens at the top right here, then most likely you're going to see a reversal, and that is a time to enter a sell position. Let's look what's going on here, and exactly what I was predicting we are seeing right now happening. As I said, we're going to see the uptrend, we're going to see the reversal, and it's actually happening now. And there is a limit to how far this price will go. However, I want to do another trade, and I want to find another situation that you can dissect, that we can dissect, and that I can explain why I took a trade. So I want to find a different one, not the one we already traded on. Here is, I like what I'm seeing right here. I'm going to place a sell position in just a second right now. And once again, look at stochastic oscillator exiting overbought condition. We're about to get a new zigzag peak here, which is going to head downwards because the deviation is more than 5. However, we're going to have to wait for the candle to close, I think. And also we are at the resistance level, the most important thing. So from this point on, we're only going to see reversal happening, and this is exactly what's going on the chart right now. So let's observe if we get our fourth win. This took me quite a while to find the last entry, but it is extremely important for you to be patient. If you don't want to lose your money, pick your trades carefully. And this goes out for everyone, whether you're a beginner, a more professional trader, or you already just have a little bit of understanding what's going on. Always take a little bit of time to get these things going. Start understanding why you're taking these trades, why they happen, and why you're placing a trade. Don't just go in and randomly place a buy or sell. You don't want to do that. Learn a little bit, practice a little bit, understand why you're making decisions, and then and only then start putting big money on the line. But before that, try to practice. Go 5 to 3% of your entire amount, but as you can see on the chart, looks fantastic. Exactly, great prediction. And as you can see right here, it took us like 16 minutes to do all these trades, and this is already right here $1,600 of profit with this strategy. So this is an amazing one. I trade with this strategy quite often, not as much as I do with my other strategies that I share. However, this one is definitely one of the best ones, top 3 for sure, that I use. And if you want to try it out, then make sure to do so and rewatch the video, understand it, look at settings, and try to understand how they interact with each other. And of course, if you want to learn more strategies like this and have a better understanding of their market, then make sure to check out my private trading group. It is available for everybody, completely free. You can join by sending me a message on Telegram at @antrade_pro. You will get access to strategies like this, explanation on why we use this strategy, explanation on which indicators are good, which indicators are a little bit lacking, and how you can reinforce them. And of course, you will get access to 4 trading robots for any type of market that you would want to trade in. This is extremely helpful for beginner traders because you will start making money before even you start learning. So this is great for you, for your knowledge, for your confidence. So get in, start trading, see for yourself that you can make money online. If you put in $50 today, by tomorrow you could already make $200, $150 of profit just by simply participating in my trading sessions, which are also available in my private trading group. We're giving out 12 signals every single day, so you can participate. We have social trading. Everything that you need as a trader is in this group. So join, send me a message, or check the links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.